A flash flood warning for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes, Medina, Summit, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, eastern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Akron, Worcester, Millersburg, Barberton, Wadsworth, Orville, Berlin, Richmond, Doylestown, Dalton, Kilbuck, Holmesville, Norton, Smithville, Clinton, Apple Creek, Marshallville, Fredericksburg, Mount Hope, and Charm. People attending Holmes County Fair should seek shelter immediately. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes, Medina, Summit, and Wayne.